Hi, my name is Andrea Williamson, and I would like to share with you today how I have helped students make sure that they can find assignments in Schoology. One thing that they are not aware of is that there is a calendar feature in Schoology. If you scroll to the upcoming pane, there's a little calendar icon with today's date on it. When you click on that, it actually populates with all of the assignments that I have posted in class, and they are on the date that they are due. So if you notice, mine are labeled, for example, 428 interpretive reading practice. So 428 is the date that it's assigned, and then it's appearing on 429 because that's the date that it was due. When you click on that, the teacher has the option to view item or edit item, and students have the option to view items. So if you go straight to that, it will show you the instructions that you have put for the assignment, and for students, it takes them right to where they would submit. Something else that has really helped students is when I post an assignment score in Infinite Campus, I can actually link it to the Schoology assignment. So as an example, right here, I have an assignment that is due this coming Sunday. And what I'm going to want to do is copy the address in from the browser tab. And when I go to Infinite Campus and create my assignment, I always make sure that I have titled it the same thing as the Schoology assignment shows. And then you can paste that link into the Schoology, or I'm sorry, into the Infinite Campus tab. And when you save that, in the assignment description, students have access to that link and they can click on that from Infinite Campus and it will take them to the assignment, which is especially helpful if they've been absent or if it's missing and they need to get it turned in. I hope this has been helpful for you.